My name is Cristina Lugo Lozada. I'm silent. I'm from Huila, Colombia. I'm 10 years old. I'm studying pharmacy regency technology at UNAD. I'm lying in Guadalupe, Huila. I'm my front time. I'm lying ready in listening to music. It yet would 8 9 it too short. I'm Bruce Mitten. I'm cereal with meal. I really like with. I work in supermarket. I'm good there boots and summit as well to work. I'm usually mad right in fried chicken for loot. I bad omens 7 for work. I don't woman. Then I watch series Netflix. I read ever and dinner. I go to bed 10 on the weekends. I visit family. I spend time with them. Where go to should I the wet go to park the hot summiting in screen. The typical food of my city is lechon, tamal, and sancocho de gallina. Finally, the main celebrities in my city and are San Juan y San Pedro festival.